Figma's free tier wasn't a marketing gift. It was a Trojan horse aimed directly at enterprise procurement, and almost nobody outside Dylan Field's inner circle understood the math. Between 2018 and 2020, Figma let designers invite unlimited viewers, product managers, engineers, executives, for $0. By the time a company noticed, 200 employees were already commenting on files daily. Procurement didn't get a sales pitch. They got a hostage negotiation. Internal docs from 2021 show conversion rates above 70% once viewer count crossed 50. Subscribe, tomorrow's one is even more surprising. The second layer was sneakier. Figma deliberately undercharged early enterprise contracts to lock in seat counts, then raised prices 40% at renewal once the tool was load-bearing.